Hey, this is the Gemma USA channel where we show rare gem products that are mostly FDA approved, and this is our Multi Ionizer for shower. It ionizes your shower water and it also helps you wash your hair without any shampoo and of course wash your body without any body wash. But my name is Oko. I'm here showing you how I've learned to wash my hair without any shampoo. It took me 6 months to get to that point. I've had the ionizer for 2 years, so last year and a half has been wonderful. And my daughter has much thicker hair than I do, and it took her 8 months. She's 8 years old and she's completely shampoo and body wash free, which is what I wanted from the beginning and why I do this business and why I sell these products to my clients. And it's a tool that can ionize and soften your hard tap water. I'm showing you that with this thin hairbrush you can actually comb through your hair, and hard water there's no way you can comb through your hair. And this is why actually it helps me to wash completely sometimes. The gloves can be really hard to get into the scalp, but the better you can wash your scalp and remove your dirt and oil, cleaner your hair is gonna be. And basically shampoo's job is to do just that, and you don't need that anymore if you have this ionizer. And somebody who goes into pool all the time, especially kids, you do not need to depend on shampoo or washing it before and after. And it's just a lot of chemicals, especially there's chlorine of the pool. With this ionizer, it's actually disinfectant and it removes the smell really well. So try it. And anybody with hair products, when you wash it like this, they come out completely as well. So this is the only way I'm washing my hair right now, and I've been doing it for a year and a half. It's only provided through direct distributors, so find a distributor who can sell you this, or you can go onto the link on my website. And as you can see, my hair is much thicker and the color is restored. Use any hair mask, any essence you'd like, any styling products you'd like. And also, if you don't want to be sweeping those hair from the floor, you have to have our Multi Ionizer in your shower. And try it. If you're minimalist, you do not need to depend on vinegar or baking soda anymore. You do not need them. Just try this product and you will see the difference.